Thanks to Ecuadorian customers for choosing EA960R4 commercial LED display billboard. The cabinet of EA960R4 Outdoor series has a protection level of up to IP65, and the fully sealed design effectively prevents wind, rain, dust, and moisture, significantly improving the protection performance of the LED display. EA960R4 LED display has a compact structure, and the back cover is designed to be opened quickly and easily for easy maintenance operations. EA960R4 LED cabinet back cover is equipped with two wing-shaped fans for fast heat dissipation. The power cord and signal cable of the cabinet are connected through the holes reserved on the side, which simplifies wiring management.